Hey Angela, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire. I'm going to show you in this video 3 things you can do to your website to get it to rank higher, to get you some more customers calling you guys. It's a free attack plan. I love to just give it to business owners so that they can understand exactly what they need to do to their website to get it to rank and just what all's involved. And then, it's something that you can do on your own if you have the time and the resources to do it. Or, what I find is a lot of business owners are just busy running their business and they need somebody like me that is an expert on this and can really help them boost their site up quickly. So just going to jump right in. I've got your website pulled up, and the 3 things that Google is looking for is content, backlinks, and citations. So citations are all these directories online that your business is listed on. Your name, address, and phone number needs to be exactly the same on all of those. I'll go over what some of that looks like, building that for you guys. And then backlinks are other websites that refer to your website, and we use anchor text specifically to what's being searched on Google to draw those customers into your websites. Just build strength. The more backlinks you have, the stronger backlinks, and the more relevant is what Google is looking for, because they're trying to find out who's the authority for, roofing in your area. So content, Google likes to see 1,500 words minimum. The content needs to be keyword rich. What we find is that when we're building out a custom plan for you guys, that we find that there's a lot more content that we're going to go after. So our content's usually over 1,500 words. And this is all of the keywords that are being searched, and then adding enough content around those so that it makes sense to talk about them on your website. So looking at what you guys have now, I've got your website pulled up. You've got your phone number and your address pulled up here on the top, and your contact, your hours. This is all great stuff to have. You are lacking on content and definitely lacking on keyword-rich content. This is, if I just do a search on that, you've got, only a couple hundred words of content on your page. You've also got some things that are kind of happening down here in the bottom that's kind of structurally broken within your website. So that's something that you would want to get fixed. We can definitely do that for you. We're looking at how do we get the right amount of content on there, and what am I really looking for? So when someone searches roofing company Palm Coast, Florida, for instance, that gets searched quite a few times, and you can see this Chardonnay roofing is pulling up in this Google Map Pack section. Florida's best roofing is pulling up. 5-star roofing is pulling up. We want you guys to be in the 3 positions here, one of these 3 positions, and it's going to be building your citations up and your website strength to get there. This section down here is the organic section. This is where you want to be in these top 3 positions as well. So the target is top 3 here, top 3 here. You're way down on the list for this particular search term, and we want to push you guys up toward the top. Other things you can do is run ads. You can see that GW Roofing is running an ad against that particular search term. This is definitely something that we do as well, is do ad campaigns. And it's kind of for me, SEO takes a little bit longer time to organically rank your site. And so a lot of times, to fill the gap, we do ad campaigns. It's kind of a go fast, look sexy is what we call it. So we're trying to get you the most search, get you found the most online, so that people are calling your number the quickest. So that's what it looks like for that particular search term. Flagler County Roofing is actually a company name, but that's also picking up search for somebody who's searching for roofing in Flagler County. We want to pull up in this as well. So you've got Roofing Right Florida is on there. Of course, Flagler County Roofing is on there. ParliamentRoofing.com. There's several on here again that are beating guys out, and we want to push you guys up to the top for this. Looking at just your competition's website, so I pulled up Chardonnay. They've got quite a bit of content that's more than you guys, but it's still not enough. When I drop it into this word counter, they've only got 564 words. So we want to beat them on the quantity of content, and then on the quality of content, making it keyword rich. Looking at Flagler County Roofing, their sites, they've got a little bit of content on there, but it's nothing you can't beat. Not scared of that at all. Looking at WKL, these guys are in just another search area that I looked at for you, for their competitor of you guys. Again, they've got some content. It's not enough. We can definitely go beat these guys on that. And then Titusville, I don't know why that's in their name. Maybe that's an area they're trying to get ranked for. But G&W Roofing, their website has probably the most content on it, and that is helping them get pushed up in the search for. I believe it was when I searched for Daytona Beach roofing companies, and that just allows them to get found for that. So again, we can go beat them. We're going to go after these guys and really outrank them. So content is king. Again, it's keyword rich. It's looking at what is actually being searched in your area, what you want to be found for your business, and then adding that to your website. So number 2 thing are the citations, and citations are all the online directories. So I use a company called White Spark with this local citation finder, and it shows me exactly like, if this was you guys, it would show me what your competition is doing as far as like how many different online directories that they have. So this is a restoration company in Northwest Arkansas that I'm working for, and we've boosted their citations to double what their competitors have, because I want them all the time playing catch up, and us always dominating. That's the way I look at things. So as you can see, everybody's got MapQuest, everybody's got Manta, everybody's got Yelp.com. There's some in here, ProClean's missing Facebook. We're thisworldorgs.com, is a citation we've got to go get. So we look at like what the competition has, what your competitors are doing, where they're listed, and then we go get listed on those same ones so that we can just blow past them and kind of maintain the strength of that positioning. That's going to help you rank in the map pack. Other things that help you rank in that map pack section are getting keyword content into your business description. So we're going to add some competition, or add some keywords into this to beat your competition and capture search based on that. Also, as you mentioned, about adding keywords in your photos and your photo names. Those are things that we're all going to do for your Google My Business section here. Then what that starts to look like is we track that with looking at how well a business is being found for those specific keywords. This is a storage company in Rogers, Arkansas, with the search term self-storage Rogers. We're trying to help them rank for that search term right there. And you can see that we monitor this, and we can tell how well we're doing, how we're gaining strength over time. So that's the second thing, is getting your citations. The third thing is going to be in the backlink structure. So this is your website. I pulled it into this program called Ahrefs, and it shows that you're being found for 52 keywords. You've got 22 backlinks, 21 referring domains. I like the ratio of this. This just needs to be a lot stronger. It's giving you a little bit of strength, a 12 and a 6. This is your domain and your whole URL for that, this right here. But we just need this to be a lot stronger. So if I drill down into the keywords, you can see that you're ranking for keywords around your name. You can see you're ranking for that mostly there's R&K or RK or something like that in the keywords you're ranking for. You are getting found for Palm Coast roofing companies. You're in position 42, so you're on the 4th page of Google. You've moved up 5 positions. It gets searched 50 times a month. We want this to be, you want to be in the top, 5, 10, if not it be in the first position for that. We do have to outrank some larger companies like Yelp and those types of companies, Angie's List and things. But we're looking for who's actually the company we're trying to beat. So we push up in the ranking for that. Roofing companies in Palm Coast, Florida get searched 30 times a month. Again, you're on page 5 for Google. It's not doing you any good. You're basically not being found at all. Flagler County Roofing, 100 times a month get searches. This is the difficulty for that search, so it's a 0. I love seeing a 0 with 100 volume. That means we can go after that and really push up there quick. Right now you're on this almost the 7th page of Google. And Palm Coast Roofers, 30 times a month. I just build a plan for you guys to find the amount of search volume that we're trying to target, and get you some really good business coming your way. Now, looking at the keywords, I'm going to show you this real quick. I went to the wrong section. I'll show you your competitors real quick. So this is our Chardonnay. Palm Coast Roofing Companies are in position 11. Again, 50 searches a month, a 1 keyword difficulty. Love seeing that one. They've done a good job, as you can see, that all of their search is going towards specific keywords that are they're being searched for. Now, where they are lacking is in their website strength. So you can see here they've got 1,000 backlinks, which this is great to have 1,000, but they're only coming through 23 domains. So this is terrible because that ratio needs to be the closer to 1-to-1, the better. And you can see that reflected over here. Their domain strength is just not very strong at all. It's strong enough to get them found right now, but we're going to go attack these guys and beat them. You can see their website strength over here on these do follows. This is what I'm looking at. I drill down and I actually go see what links that they have, go match them if I can, and then get more powerful links to blow past them. If I look at GW Roofing, their website's a little bit stronger, 36 and 11. They've got 288 keywords they're being found for, 167 referring domains, and they're searching Deltona, they're searching Port Orange, they're getting found for New Smyrna Beach, Edgewater. These are all places that they are targeting. Daytona Beach. That if we determine that that's the place we want to go after, then we build a plan to target that. Let's see, what else can I say here about backlinks. Let's look at the keywords that Chardonnay's going after. 25, just not very many, but he is going after the ones that are targeting Palm Coast Roofing. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. You can just see on this, I look at things like this, like how well this site is gaining strength over time. I'm looking at this ratio here, how strong is this website, and we just build a plan out for you to go attack those things. So it's just a recap: content, 1,500 words minimum, keyword rich. It's backlinks that are strong. It's backlinks that are relevant. You don't want to get a Pizza Hut backlink unless you roof the Pizza Hut. Because you're not flipping pizzas. Google knows that. And then getting your citations all in line, your name, address, and phone number the same all across all these online directories. So I hope this was helpful. Would love to help you build a plan to attack this and get some more calls coming your way. I'm going to also show you the same thing for Aftermath, so you can see what it looks like for the restoration side of your business that you have. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.